Hey everyone, look what we're doing today. The box that the booth comes in. This is the front door. So it's big door for the car at the front. There's some zippers on sides, that side and that side, to close, I think, for air. We've got one door at the rear, which was zipped and all. Blue one's back up, so we've plugged into that one and we're ready. So we've got the booth up, it's fine. So with this one, we tighten there, so it pulls it. We've got entrance door here, and this is how it looks. Pretty big, to be fair, but that's what I like. Now this is inside of the booth. Got some straps for lights, which is cool. Nice, very nice. So this is your air entrance. There's covers on the filters, so that is what pushes air out. Assembling and extraction elephant booth.
It's amazing.
Very nice, very curva nice. It's nice, very nice. So we've just finished painting the full car. Still in booth, but I can show you inside. I think it looks pretty good, I reckon.